Alright, welcome back to my EDC pocket carry, pocket dump, whatever you want to call it. Starting with my belt, I'm using the Travex Sings belt. I'm using this for quite some time, maybe 2 years maybe. Then I'm using my ear pod. I'm using the Jabra Elite 7 together with this Spigen hard case, solid case. Look nice, durable. And attached to my loop is my leather coin pouch to store some coin. This is from the company called Hide and Drink. Quite durable also. Alright, following by my key, the key bar titanium, attached to some pry bar, nothing too fancy. Alright, key bar. Then my wallet of choice now is my open sea leather. This is the Hubei. I quite like this wallet. Actually, smell nice, patina nicely. Alright, then for the pocket flashlight, normally I got some option. Sometimes I will be using the Nightcore, the MT2A Pro. See, compared to others, this is from the Maratec triple A. You see the size comparison. So sometimes I will carry this one in my pocket, or this one, even the bigger one, with this Trim pocket clip attached on it, or the Nightcore, even bigger one, the MH2 Pro, but it's quite heavy, but definitely much brighter. I think it produced 3,300 lumens brightness, very bright. So my watch, I'm currently wearing the Garmin Instinct 2X with this camo strap, which I bought from Amazon. That's it. So thank you.